Baltimore is such a big market, right? They have so many opportunities here, and it's really centered on the electrical construction industry. These are data centers, these are substations, these are utility assets that are being built out, and this really gives us an opportunity to grow, and I'm excited about it. Baltimore is one of the most historic cities in the United States, and I think the stars are just lining up. So the IBEW puts together these progress meetings every district, every year, and I've had the advantage to go around and see them all and really experience them. And it's always just kind of occurred to me that if we're all going to get together and talk about the work that we should do, the things that we should do, and we have all the bodies in one room, why don't we just do some of that work?
The purpose of this blitz is really to focus on getting non-union workers to understand what it's like to be a part of a union. We have a member from each local in the 4th District, so there's 35 locals inside and outside construction within the 4th District, and everyone's participating. We're going to have roughly 115 people between local staff, organizers, international staff, IEC members, vice presidents. Everyone's taking part of this blitz.
Success for me would just be to get on as many of these job sites as we can, make as many contacts as we can, leave good impressions on the non-union electricians that are talked to, and hope that we have a fair amount of guys that come to us after this and want to become members and go to work with the IBEW.
I had the dream to be an electrician, and I wanted these people that are working non-union to have the same lifestyle that I was able to have with joining the IBEW. The feeling that I get from helping people join Local 24 is almost undescribable, because they're so thankful. I'm just trying to show them a path where they can have a better life and retirement.
You're going to change your life. You just got to give us the opportunity. A lot of times when we do this, you're in meetings, workshops and doing things like that. It's nice to get out and actually see the effect that you're having.
It's fun. Usually when I go out to a job, it's because there's an issue. So I like going to the job being the issue.
I'm very proud of the 4th District. They showed up in full force. So we have well over 100 folks out today. This is the core of what we do. We're built to organize. We're built to bring all the electrical workers under one umbrella and build strength and power.
Yeah, today, is a real special day. It sends a message to the city of Baltimore that the non-union are welcome into the IBEW, and it's so gratifying to me to be able to be out with my brothers and sisters from all over the country and do exactly that. Pass that on, because it is generational for the non-union worker. When they come over, they have good wages, good benefits, a health care, a retirement they can retire with dignity and respect on. All those things matter, and having everybody here in Baltimore is pretty special. And the last thing, I'd like to say is that importance of passing that baton on to the next generation, not only as leaders, but as workers in the field, and making sure that the next generation has a better opportunity than we did. I always say I want to leave the IBEW better than I found it. That's my #1 goal, always, is to make sure that the next generation has better opportunities than we have. And if we can do that, we can hold our heads up high at the end of the day and be proud of what we've done.
Look, we have 3 international vice presidents here, 4 members of the IEC, President Cooper, and just tons of business managers, organizers, and rank and file members out here doing this today. So, it's a really good display, but leadership starts at the top. And having President Cooper here today, I sense a big signal that this is what we are. This is our culture. This is our core. This is what the IBEW is about. So we're thankful for that, and we really appreciate you being here.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother.